Hello RiverWalk community, my name is Chris Kern and I'm the Vice President of Development here at RiverWalk. I'd like to welcome you to our monthly construction update video. Moving forward, we will be providing you with video updates showcasing all of the exciting changes happening between now and the grand opening in spring of 2024. As you can see behind me, we've made a lot of progress since last spring, including 20% of the siding being completed, 45% of the electrical and plumbing rough-ins completed. We've got 65% of the interior framing completed, 85% of the exterior framing completed, and even 75% of that big, beautiful red roof fully waterproofed. Now, grab your hard hat and come with me. Let's go check out the inside. As you can see, we're in the thick of it here. Thanks for joining us on this month's tour. Keep an eye out for next month's email and video. Now let's go check out what was going on outside while we were in here.